Hi, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to freeze columns or rows, columns and rows and tags. So here I have a one Excel sheet, so which is having some random values here and there. So for that, so I'm going to first freeze my columns, and then later I'll freeze my rows, and then later I'll freeze tag, and here we will see how it goes. For this, navigate to view, and here you have a option freeze tag. So here we have three options. So first I'll go with freeze top row. So now the first row got highlighted, and if you scroll down, the first row will be there, and whatever the rows it will move down or up, that will be constant. So if we have a multiple columns, multiple headings in a column, so by using this we can do this freezing of a row. And here I am going to unfreeze this, and now I am going to freeze first column. So the first column which is highlighted, that is freeze. And now if I move to right side, towards right side columns, so the first column will be constant, and whatever the remaining columns will get moved. And now we'll unfreeze this one, and in the entire sheet I want both combination, columns and rows, okay, in this level. So what will happen, so I'm placing my cursor here. If I choose freeze panes, then what it will do, so till this place, till this area will become as a constant, and the remaining area will move up and down. Here we will see how it will be. So I am placing my cursor here, and freeze panes. So it created 4. Now see, if I move this side, this part will be constant, and remaining part is getting changed. Okay, and similar way, if I move down, this top part is constant, and the bottom part is getting changed. This is how we can freeze columns, rows and pane. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Thank you once again.